Nobody's selfish, they just scared to ask for help. And since nobody helping, I'ma do it for myself. Plus this music has a message, I'm just praying that you tell anyone who need it, or even if they never did. Pass a little confidence, then what they do is effortless. Been a minute for me, but forget about the measurements. Take this life you live and love another, no comparison. I'm trying to be myself, but everybody wanna change me. When I'm alone, I'm feeling everybody hate me. The reason why I gotta write, I'm feeling it'll save me. Then I'm stressing when I drop it, hoping you embrace me. But I'm good, I'm telling you that I'm really not. Wondering if I'ma die, cause I done seen too many cops shot somebody till they drop and they ain't even penalized. Now that they living through my lyrics, feel I've been alive.
All we are is all we are. It's hard when all the fingers point at you. You've done no wrong, and still you feel as though you let them on. They only wanna twist your arm.
Yeah, I'm trying to do what I love without falling in love. I hate it, but every touch reminded me who I was. Rather take it day by day, but still I feel I'm in a rush. If I fall in love again, well then I'm praying up above, cause I'm sick of all the games. You talk about attention, like I ain't giving to you when I'm around you never mention. But you wanna get on Twitter, talk about you never happy. If you talk about me, then why don't you fucking at me? Talk about you hate me and how much you wanna slap me. Haters only love in another form, but you acting like it isn't. Like you won't feel indifferent, like it wasn't falling down and we coming close to an ending. I know this shit is painful, but still I gotta play it cool. No matter what the obstacles, I gotta make it through. Used to look into my future, see the perfect view. Sometimes the right decision be the one that's hurting you.
All we are is all we are. It's hard when all the fingers point at you. You've done no wrong, and still you feel as though you let them on. They only wanna twist your arm.